Have you ever strolled into a pet store, spotted those bright, beautiful aquarium fish and thought, yep, that's the one for me? I've been there too. But let me tell you, there's a lot more to these popular aquarium fish than meets the eye. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on the real truth about some of the most talked about fish in the hobby, including the legendary Oscar. Stick around, because what you're about to learn could save you money, frustration, and, most importantly, a few fish lives. Let's kick things off with a huge myth that most store fish are easy to keep. Take goldfish, for example. People grab them for tiny bowls, but in reality, goldfish grow big, make a mess, and need at least 30 gallons per fish. Without enough space or filtration, they wind up living in poor water and never reach their full size. Now, let's talk bettas. You always see them in little cups, right? Sure, they can survive in small spaces, but they really thrive in a heated, filtered tank with room to swim around. Calling them low maintenance is pretty misleading. They deserve just as much care as any other tropical fish. Now, let's shine the spotlight on a real showstopper, the Oscar fish. Oscars are smart, interactive, and honestly have more personality than some people I know. They'll recognize you, beg for food, and rearrange your tank just the way they want it. But here's the catch. Oscars grow fast, sometimes over a foot long, and need a big tank. At least 75 gallons for a single adult. They're messy eaters and love redecorating, which means you'll be doing a lot of cleaning and water changes. But if you're ready to put in the work, Oscars are one of the most rewarding fish you'll ever keep. They're not really hard, just misunderstood. Let's not forget other community favorites like tetras and angelfish. Tetras love soft, slightly acidic water and need a good-sized group to feel safe, while angelfish can get territorial as they grow up. And those cute little plecos labeled as algae eaters? Most of them get massive, like over a foot long. So unless you want a monster in your tank, stick with smaller ones like bristlenose plecos. Here's the bottom line. Every fish has its own needs. Success isn't about picking the prettiest one in the shop. It's about learning what each species needs to be happy and healthy. The more you know before you buy, the better your aquarium and your fish will be. If you got something out of this and want more no-frills fish keeping tips, hit that like button, subscribe, and join the family. Let's keep those aquariums thriving, one fish at a time.